Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Windows 10 or 11 build and GPU driver are current. You need to run the Wallpaper app as administrator if it requests elevated rights, because permission errors cause failures. Once done, check whether the app is 32-bit or 64-bit to match system architecture, and close other customization software to prevent conflicts. Make a quick backup of your current wallpaper settings so you can restore if anything goes wrong. That preserves your setup while you work. You now install and configure the live wallpaper application. Pick Custom Install to include only required components. During setup, grant firewall and system permissions so the app can access media and overlays, and enable startup if you want the wallpaper to persist after reboot. Next, set the wallpaper resolution and refresh rate to match your display, and set CPU/GPU resource limits to prevent stutters. Make sure to test a short clip first. This shows whether the settings produce smooth playback versus. Finish by assigning the wallpaper to the correct monitor and confirming autoplay settings. Set scaling so the image fits without distortion. If you see artifacts, black screen, or crashes, update the GPU driver first, and if the issue began after a driver update, consider rolling back. When problems persist, boot into safe mode or disable startup apps to isolate conflicts, and review the app log files for error codes. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch to a static wallpaper to confirm whether the issue is the app or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.